Hey guys, this is first person time, and we're just sitting here on a wall. Or I'm just sitting here on a wall.
Give me a second.
Who's that? Super Gamer 171. That was a horrible voice, wasn't it? Yeah.
I don't want to send bird shit.
Okay, so if there's anybody here who came here because of Super Gamer 171, this guy.
Yeah.
Okay, yeah. You can move over.
No, I don't want to send bird crap.
Yeah, there's bird crap stuff. But for those of you who came from there, if you have any questions for him, feel free to leave them in the comments.
For me also.
For both of us, but I kind of want to do a Q&A, so
Yep.
if we get a few questions, we'll probably do one of those. And this is one of our main filming areas here. Lots of trees that we can
Okay, give me the camera.
climb on.
I'll jump down. Alright,
I'm gonna take a dump.
so we got all these trees to park our huge wall, everything here. Got some cars and everything. Now, I'll just give him the camera.
Yeah, this is how we get up usually. Usually, like in the winter,
We have a wall.
yeah, there's a huge snow hill right there. But
As you can see,
the snow
somewhat
kind of melted.
parkour.
Yeah, we can kind of jump around and do stuff on this wall, but don't be haters.
Oh crap.
I hate haters, and I will shank you. No, I won't shank you.
Okay, I'm gonna try a different way to
There's another way, maybe over here, but Harrison's failing. And that's about it. Goodbye.